Hi, good morning, Cosmex people. Welcome back to our webinar program. Beforehand, I'd like to test whether my voice can be heard or not. If you find trouble, you can click button on the corner and refresh it. I will counting until 3. 1, 2, and 3. I will counting again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Seems like everything is fine. So we can start our webinar now. Once again, welcome to Cosmex 6 webinar. Thank you for joining us. Hopefully everyone is healthy and safety during this pandemic. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Anissa. I'm one of marketing in Cosmex Indonesia. And today I accompanied by Bella. She is one of researcher in Cosmex Indonesia. For the next 1 hour, we will presenting to you all about cushion. Start with cushion in Korea, and then cushion in Indonesian market, and the last is our innovation product proposal, cushion diversification. We hope our proposal today can make your brand become more loved by your customer. And if you have any question, you can write on your question on the corner chat, and our marketing team will answer your question as soon as possible. Next. In Korea, the first cushion launched in 2008. At that time, the main function of cushion only for sunblock. But today, cushion has many various kind and type. In the market, you will find lots of different cushion. The differentiation not only for the texture or the formula, but you can see the differentiation also in the packaging. For the formulation, the cushion become more sophistication with lighter, finer, and also they are more breathable with higher skin affinity. And if you're curious about cushion sophistication, you can search and try to compare between one cushion to another. For the benchmark texture, we recommend some brand like NARS, Moonsuit, MAC, Jungsemo, and Misha. Like I said before, cushion sophistication not only for the formulation, but also for the packaging. If you compare from the first cushion until now, cushion become more attractive with the innovative packaging. And here are some cushion brands that I mentioned before. NARS. NARS has released natural radiant longwear cushion with square type case. This product has advantages such as long lasting up to 16 hours, medium full coverage, and powerful protection. And then MAC. MAC has released Studio Perfect Hydrating Cushion with round case. This product has advantages such as perfect glow finish, perfect magnet, and perfect coverage. Jungsemo released cushion seller product with dual packaging type. This product has two functions in one packaging. There are foundation and concealer inside. This product has advantages such as air sump cover, pro reflex oil, and mix and touch. Mix and touch benefit related to their case because they put free space beside the concealer. This free space can be used for makeup blending. So you can adjust and blend your makeup on this space. Next is the Moonsuit brand. Moonsuit released a micro correct fit cushion with round case. This cushion has advantages such as a cover fit, light fit, and long lasting. Querison has released a time sealed cushion pack with round case. This product has advantages such as they're using horse oil cream and long lasting up to 13 hours. Misha released Glow to Cover Glow Cushion with round case. This product has advantages such as a glow cover, use per powder, and moisture and cooling effect. If we want to analyze product in the market, we can see it from their market life cycle stage. For the cushion, we can differentiate their stage from their 3 points: main channel, spons, and the formula. In Korean market cushion, introduction stage was in 2008. In this stage, the cushion only produced for the home shopping company. They use uniform porous spons, and for the formula, they still produce with low viscosity and low coverage. The growth stage was in 2014 until 2015. In this stage, premium brands like L'Oreal have started to produce cushion. They use NBR type spons. This spons has different characteristics with the first one. You can see the difference of spons on the next slide. For the formulation, they produce medium coverage and there are benefits such as moisturizing. The maturity stage was in 2016 until 2017. In this stage, online brand and healthy and beauty company get interest to produce cushion. They still use NBR spons, but they can customize with a special pattern or logo. For the formula, they add skin benefit such as a brightening, anti-aging, SPF, etc. The saturation stage was in 2018 until 2019. In this stage, big brands in the world such as Chanel, Shiseido, and La Mer have great response to the cushion product. They interest to produce cushion in cosmetics and sell it to worldwide market. For the spons, they not only use spons to store the bulk or for the formula, but they also can fill bulk in the 3D mesh cushion and hole punch spons. Cushion become more popular due to their portability and the product can make maximized effect for the skin. For the cushion performance, spons become one of the packaging material that can evolve differentiation in appearance and maximize cosmetic effect. On the screen, you can see different spons of cushion that their different states. At the beginning, cushion use uniform porous spons. This spons is suitable for emulsion formulation such as sunblock, low visco, and low coverage formula. At the second stage, spons cushion switch to the NBR material. This spons type more stable than the first one. This spons can accommodate formulation with high viscosity, high coverage, and is spons suitable for formulation that containing skincare ingredient. At the third stage, spons of cushion has developed with visual appearance. They can match spons with brand logo or pattern on the spons. At the fourth stage, cushion can be produced not only use spons inside. We can use 3D mesh, hole punch spons, or combination of hole punch spons and 3D mesh. We can call it a hybrid type spons. You can see on the screen the evolution of the cushion formula for each stage. Cushion formula start from low liquid formulation and the function only for touch-up makeup. During these 12 years, the formula have evolved in so many ways. You can find cushion with high, low, or medium coverage and has skincare benefit, and also this cushion have upgraded their makeup effect, also have healthy and luxury skin texture. On the slide, you can see journey of the cushion from 2008 until 2016. In 2008, the cushion first appeared just for sunblock product, where the specifications were for easier touch-up, low viscosity, and natural coverage. 2 years later, in 2010, cushion can use for foundation cushion with high coverage and high viscosity. 4 years later, in 2014, cushion has improved the innovation for the compatibility and stability for the formula. They can make sun cushion with high SPF inside, and also the formula can be white or transparent formula. A year later, in 2015, cushion not only for base makeup product, but also for other decorative product, for example, blush on cushion. Then in 2016, we can find cushion with tone up function. The summary for cushion are this product has made such a great evolution. The formula and the packaging always make innovation and make new trend for the cosmetic lover. First question launched with one function just for sunblock. And now cushion has many various texture, function, and benefit. And for the packaging, first cushion launched with uniform for response and just with a round type case. But now we can see a cushion with pattern or logo on the sponge, 3D mesh or hole punch sponge. We can also find cushion with pumping type, bomb cake type, and some cushion with dual packaging type. Now we enter the Indonesian cushion market. The first local brand cushion launched in 2018. If we want to analyze Indonesian market, we can also use cushion market life cycle like the previous one. Introduction stage in Indonesia was in 2018, and this year's when Indonesia consumers have to be aware with local brand product. Growth stage was in 2012. We have different time with Korean market. If Korean market need more than 5 years to arrive in growth stage, but in Indonesia market, this only need 2 years. It can be happen because Indonesia market was already familiar with cushion from Korea. We can say that this is one of Korean wave effect. Indonesian people, or maybe we can specific to Indonesian women, not only become fans of K-drama, K-pop, or Korean food, but they also become fans of Korean cosmetic and skincare. Now, Indonesia market has in the growth stage area. This is indicated by the increasing number of local brands enter the cushion market. At this stage, we can see competition between one cushion to another by the formula. They concern about halal formulation, for the coverage, for the finishing, and also for the hybrid product that can contain of makeup and skincare in one packaging. Cushion in Indonesia market also make differentiation with the packaging. First cushion in Indonesia launched with round case. And now you can find mini type cushion like SK and Rabbit Habit, square type like Something and Lock, and then dual packaging type like Rabbit Habit. Now it's time for Bella to present about our innovative cushion proposal. But before that, I want you to remember that if you have any question, you can write them on the chat corner. And also, if you have trouble with the screen presentation or our face can be clear to you, you can click button on the corner and replace it. Before I close this webinar, I will inform you that we will share a presentation later, or you can see our in YouTube channel. But if you would like to more deep discussion about the product, you can contact our marketing team, or you can contact our email marketing@cosmec.co.id. And don't forget to follow our social media, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channel of Cosmex Indonesia. And I'd like to finish this presentation with inspiring quote from William Arthur. Sunrise opportunities are like the sunrise. If you wait too long, you miss them.
And we are waiting you to develop your best product with us. And I'm Bella.
I'm Anissa.
See you on our next webinar. Bye-bye.